Want to know how to improve your YouTube video using TubeBuddy in YouTube Studio? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, to simply open up your TubeBuddy application and launch the extension, and you should be under the YouTube Studio. Head towards content and select any video that you'd like to improve. Now right here you can just simply scroll down a little bit, and here you should be seeing slowly on the right side best practices. This is how you improve it. So you can also change your upload defaults as well, and here you can see checking your best practices right here, where you can just simply add in screen and much more. Now in order to find more of those, which are 9 best practices, you need to upgrade. So you can just simply upgrade to Pro and improve your video, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.